Okay, we've got Q1009 for our November 1st, 2023 vehicle, industrial, and estate auction here in Langley, British Columbia. We are all city auctioneers and we are located in Langley. This one here is a private consignment. Private consignment and a non-runner. Don't remember the year actually off the top of my head. So the vehicle was towed to our location and was declared as requiring some major engine repairs. Looks like it's had some body repairs here in the back corner and some more kind of up front in this area here. Just kind of walking around. It is got the 6.7 Power Stroke in it right there. It's an F350 Super Duty with the 6.7 right there. Again, looks like there's some more repairs right down in this corner. Four-wheel drive, crew cab, probably a long box. Not really sure though, I haven't pasted out. I'm just gonna walk around the vehicle. A couple of dents there. Looks like it's got a plow mount on the front. You can probably see that later on. Again, some more repairs down here that have been painted over. Dents on the back here in the fender corner, and again some looks like some previous repairs there. Box doesn't look like it's had that big of a working life. And of course, I don't have all the documents in front of me, so make sure you read the description online. So crew cab, looks like a long box. Here you go. Full 6-seater. There is some paint staining on the inside, so it did live its life probably as a work truck. Basically the engine needing repairs, the people, I probably couldn't afford them, you know. I just they want to sell the vehicle, we sell the vehicle. So okay, so there's some more paint staining on the driver's seat here. I tried energizing the engine so I could get an odometer reading, but the error code's coming up. I can't get any kind of an odometer reading right now, so you might want to make sure you read the description again like I just said, because I'll probably have that information for you there. So I'll let you look at the motor. I'll unfold my little camera case holder thing here so you can get up there. Definitely not much to see. We did take pictures of the odometer to or not the odometer, of the dash, so you could see all the different I wouldn't say errors, but all the different lights that illuminate. And there you go. There looks like a plow mount of some sort up front. So I'll just come back here and do the driver's side rear. So back seat doesn't, it just looks like it's dirty, a few stains visible, some paint stains and whatnot. But you know, it doesn't look like there's a lot of rips or tears. I'll go driver's side here. Driver's door, or sorry, driver's seat is worn, as you can see. There are a few options, I wouldn't say a lot. It is you know, Ford, looks like it's got air conditioning and stuff like that, AM, FM radio. Again, like I said, we tried energizing the vehicle and we could not get an odometer, so make sure you read the description, and I'm sure we'll have an odometer reading for you there. And yeah, so off the top of my head, don't remember the year, but it is a Ford Power Stroke 6.7 liter V8 diesel. Four-wheel drive, crew cab, automatic. This is selling unreserved, highest bid wins. We are all city auctioneers. We're located in Langley, British Columbia. Hope you get another buy-by auction.